Okay lang yung makeup ko. Hello everyone! Wala ko naka-chinsan. Ha? Hi admin! Kakumpas! Shall we everyone? Po. Wait lang, magtatanggal lang ako ng... Ano yun? Hello po. Wait lang guys, wait lang. Talaga, wait lang.
Paano bang mababawi lahat ng mga nasabi? Di naman nakalang ika'y
Oo nga, ang puti ko talaga ngayon. Nagpa-chinsan suko. Hindi mo ba alam? Shawi Moon! Kasi anong tawag dyan? Nagbabalat yung labi ko kaya naglagay ako ng ganyan. Balitan natin yung lights. Ayan, ganyan na lang. Hi, Mikmik! Shall we, guys? Please do share my live. Ayan, ayan. Yung lights pala yon. Sorry na. Oo. Mikmik! Shall we? Guys, kamusta kayong lahat? Wala kang kumikmik. Oo. Nakalip bomb. Thank you, Jen. Thank you so much. Weekly number 98. Thank you so much, guys. Your phone battery is low. Okay, wait lang. Sige, share nyo lang, guys. Share. Kailangan ko ng 1,000 share. 1,000 share. 1,000 share para dyan sa ating event. Ayan, thank you. I'm blessed. Ines. Blessed and lucky, shall we? Thank you guys for sharing. Ikaw ang kumpas. Dokin, are you there? Sorry, love. Kanina, pizza. Kasama ko si Box. Nilibre niya ako ng pizza. Juniora! Uhuy! May nabudol na naman ng ating mga kakumpas. Oh, nandyan ang Juniora. Shall we everyone, Juniora, kakumpas, shall we? Welcome to our team. Ayan, shall we sa inyo guys, ha? Ate Mean! Ayan, thank you guys for sharing. Ayan, malaking tulong po sa ating TikTok Live Showdown. Hi, Miss. Hi, Mandu. Shall we? Sorry! Hi, bebe. Sige, dyan lang kayo, ha? Nagaganda-ganda lang, ganun lang. Sorry na, oo. Nasa church pa ang aking manager. Miss Pami! Shawi!
Sa bawat bagyo na dumayo, ikaw
Yes, opo. Thank you guys. Thank you. Please do share my live stream. Thank you very, very much. Ayan. Wait lang.
Paano bang mababawi lahat ng mga nasabi?
Guys, please do share my stream and double tap your screen. Thank you so much.
Bigla sa isang iklaw nagbago.
Ayan. Guys, kung masishare nyo kung masishare nyo siya sa iba't ibang plataforma, mas better. Ayan, i-share ako, mag-share ako. Mas better. Ayan, i-share ako, mag-share ako. I am from Iraq. Assalamualaikum. What is your name? I'll try to read your name. Palakim Pikim, I don't know. I don't understand your name, my friend. Thank you for the follow.
Sa bawat bagyo na dumayo.
Gentlemen, may I have
Shall we sa inyong lahat, guys?
please? It's
Team Gravy, shall we?
final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Please do share our stream. And double tap your screen. Tama. Thank you, guys.
Let's rock. Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Samaritan.
Welcome, everyone. Good evening sa inyong lahat. Shall we from Iraq? Shall we to you?
Thank you very much.
Kanyada. I'm Mesala. Habang hindi karapat-dapat, pagkukulan ng habang ang wagas mong pagsinta. Habang walang kakayanan, masuklian ka ng mabuti sa lahat mong ginawa. Niyakap mo ako sa aking karumihan. Inibig mo ako nang di kayang tumbasan, O Diyos ng katarungan at katwiran na kahit minsan di mabahiran ang kabanalan, kalwalhatian. Salamat sa sukdulang biyaya mo, O Diyos ng pag-ibig na mas malawak pa kaysa sa aking mga pagkakasala. Higit pa sa buhay ko, salamat sa sukdulang biyaya mo. Thank you, everyone. Habang hindi karapat-dapat, pagkukulan ng matupad at wagas mong pagsita. Sir Trooper ng Q Point, shall we? Habang walang kakayanan, masuklian ka ng mabuti mo. Thank you so much sa lahat mong ginawa. Yakap mo ako sa aking karunyan. Inibig mo ako nang di kayang tumbasan, O Diyos ng katarungan at katwiran. Kahit minsan di nabahiran ang kabanalan, kalwalhatian. Salamat sa sukdulang biyaya mo, O Diyos ng pag-ibig na mas malawak pa kaysa sa aking mga pagkakasala. Higit pa sa buhay ko, salamat sa sukdulang biyaya mo. Salamat sa'yo. Hi, Jill. Good evening, everyone. Katat family, shall we? Kakumpas team, shall we sa inyong lahat? And Q Point, shall we, everyone? Yakap mo ako sa aking karunyan. Inibig mo ako nang di kayang tumbasan. Yakap mo ako sa aking karunyan. Inibig mo ako nang di kayang tumbasan, O Diyos ng katarungan. everyone sa mga toppers natin. Maraming salamat. And of course, sa ating mga sharer. Maraming salamat guys. Ayan. Kung kaninang umaga nasubukan yung mag-share ng 500, siguro naman kaya nyo ulit yun ngayon, no? I-share nyo ulit ng i-share. Maraming salamat guys. Ayan, only songeries tayo for today. Mami Topper, shall we po? Thank you guys sa mga nandiyan ha. Thank you. Yung mga share ninyo ay may mga puntos yan. Yung mga bagsak nyo dyan, may mga puntos po yan. Thank you guys. Pero more on top na lang tayo muna and share guys. Kasi may tinatry pa kami. Mas makabuluhan pa siguro muna yun. Ayan. Thank you guys ha. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Share and toppers, thank you po. Baby ko, shall we? I've known you for so long, you are a friend of mine. But is this all we'll ever be? Hi Jen. I've loved you ever since you are of mine, and baby, this is all we ever could be. You tell me things I never know, I show you love you never showed, and then again where you go, I'm always at your side. Keep on. You tell me about the love you had, I live very eagerly, but deep inside you'll never see this feeling so emptiness that makes me feel sad. But then again, I'm glad I've known you all my life. You are a friend of mine. I know this is how it's gonna be. Love you then, I love you still, a friend of mine. Now I know friends all I ever could be. Tell me things I never know, I show the love you never show. But then again, where you are, I'm always at your side. You tell me about the love you had, I listen very eagerly, but deep inside you never see this feeling of emptiness that makes me feel sad. But then again, I'm glad. Thank you everyone. Guys, i-share nyo lang ng i-share yung live. Maraming salamat po. Thank you everyone. Pag meron akong hindi nababasa, please do guys ping na lang po. Thank you. Sorry, nasa maputi kong mukha talaga. Para sa nag-request, Mr. Vicky Official, good evening. Thank you guys sa mga treasure box Don't wanna close the door, don't wanna give up on it, don't wanna find no more, we'll find a way around it. Where's the love we had? We can make it last. Tell me what I'm gonna be, and tell me what you wanna do, 'cause I can live my life that's the way you want me You know I can't go on living like we do. Do I have to cry for you? Do I have to cry for you? So tell me what it's for. If there's no winner in it, nobody's keeping score. Let's start from the beginning. Samira, can we make it last? Where's the love we had? Tell me what I'm gonna be, and tell me what you wanna do. Yes, you, 'cause I can live my life the way you want me to. You know I can't go on living like we do. Do we have to cry for you? Do I have to cry for you? Do I get to standing in the cold dark night till the morning light? Yeah. Do I have to say I won't let you get away? What's the one I'm gonna be? Tell me what you wanna do. I can live my life the way you want me to. You know I can't go on living like we do. Do I have to cry for you? Thank you everyone, Rose and Babs, Zisha, Janice. Thank you guys. Please do share our live stream. Living like we do. Do I have to cry for you? Do I have to cry for you? Ayan everyone, maraming salamat sa mga sharer natin dyan. Please more share. Ganon. Please more share. Ganon. Sorry na talaga. Ang putik talaga ni ate maglagay. Actually kasi nilagay lang talaga ni ate yan. Hindi ko na mabura. Patawarin nyo na ako, no? Yung mga lagi nandito sa live ko. Sorry na. Oo. Sorry. Hi, Sissy. Guys, please do share my live stream, ha? Kasi yung mga share ninyo ay may puntos po yan sa TikTok Live Showdown. Thank you, guys. Sige.
Paano bang mababawi
Thank you, everyone.
lahat ng mga nasabi?
Thank you. Miss Nat. Dreaming, I must be dreaming. Or am I really lying here with you? Baby, you take me in your arms. And though I'm wide awake, I know my dream is coming true. And though I just fall in love again, thank you. Just one touch and then it happens every time. And there I go, just fall in love again. And when I do, I can't help myself, I fall in love with you. Magic, it must be magic. The way I hold you in the night just seems to fly. So yung toppers natin and sharer ay meron pong punto sa ating TikTok Live Showdown. Maraming salamat po. Sige. Sige, Boss B. Since naka-guest naman ako kaninang morning, pwede naman tayo mag-guest for for tonight. Then tomorrow, hindi ko lang sure kung, kailangan pala everyday ako magla-live, no? Kasi 9 live kasi dapat yun eh. Yes, open mic tayo for today's video. Yes. Go, Boss B, akyat ka. Tapos, yung mga kakumpas ko dyan. Ito na gamitin ko sa'yo. Kakumpas mo. Dalawa ba account mo, Bebs? Ayan, welcome natin si Boss B, ah. Ayan, ang Jazz Boss B. Shall we sa'yo, Bebe?
Nakakahiya naman. Diyos ko, Lord.
Uy, hindi. Grabe ka naman sa nakakahiya.
Teka lang.
Nga. Kasi inistorbo ka na.
First time ko na umakyat sa live mo. Teka lang.
Oo. Thank you, ha. Thank you at pinaunlakan mo ko. Actually,
Kinakabahan ako.
Claren, actually, may tayo, yung TikTok Live Showdown. Pero doon sa TikTok Live Showdown, meron kasi doon na guest na kailangan magpa-guest ako. Since nagpa-guest ako kanina, oy guys, thank you, ha, Pabor, number 50 po tayo. Since nagpa-guest ako kaninang morning, I think pwede ulit ngayon. Kasi in one day, dapat, consistent
okay,
tayo,
teka.
ganon. Buti na lang.
Open mic ba to? Kailangan ko ba mag-set up?
Bakit? Siyempre! Ano kaya yun? Mark
Teka.
Karen Chawi, ha?
Oh my God.
Nasaan
Kinakabahan
ka ba?
talaga
Nasa
ako.
ibang bansa ka ba? Nasa Pinas ka? Alam ko nasa Pinas ka.
Nasa Israel ako. Ako ba?
Nasa Israel ka. Ikaw yung mga kayo pala yung mga nandoon. Guys, welcome natin si Boss B and follow him also. Ayan. Ayan, Boss B, i-share mo din sa mga taga-jazz para nandito sila. Moral support tayo.
Yeah.
Ayan, thank you guys.
Walang pasok si Ate Pat ngayon eh. Teka
Wala
lang.
siyang pasok?
Yeah.
Ayan, wala siyang pasok. Sige, dito mo patambayin. Hindi yung tumatambay pag nagdadakdak lang ako. Sorry na, ubo. Ayan. Ayan, thank you guys, ha. Sige, kakanta pa ako ng isa habang nagpe-prepare si Boss B. Ayan, thank you guys. Ito na lang. Ay. Glay. Ay. Guys, maraming salamat kaninang umaga, ha. Maraming salamat. 9 days pa tayo magsasama-sama dito sa TikTok Live Showdown, ha. Huwag niyo akong iiwan. Please. Please po. Emma Rose. Ay, nakaano ka na pala eh.
Hala, kinakabahan ako.
Ano ka pa na eh. Ikaw na muna kumanta para makapahinga naman ako. Miss D, Shawi. Guys, baka meron pang gustong sumali, ha. Open mic tayo ngayon. Sige na, gora na. Ayan, welcome, Boss B. Bakit ka nahihiya? Nakamute ka talaga, B.
Kinakabahan ako.
Bakit ka kinakabahan?
First time ko umakyat sa live.
Okay lang yon. Grabe naman ito.
Press hours.
אנחנו במכבי שבריאות לא מתחילה ונגמרת בטיפול בבעיות
May sounds ako.
רפואיות. בריאות זה הספורט.
Wala pa. Yan. Meron.
Meron na. May music.
Kanta kayong lahat. Sige. Basta kakanta kayo. Chichi! Okay. Ano talaga ako na sa
Kinakabahan.
espaso?
Tataray ko lang. Hindi ko pa ito kabisado.
Sige lang, Gora.
Mapahiya ang mapahiya.
Caregiver ka dito. Kakanta pa siya gliding.
Yes po. Yes po.
Iyak mo muna siya kumanta gliding, no? Chismis
Glide lang
agad.
yan. Opo.
Come on, guys. Please do follow Boss B ng jazz.
There are times when I'm lying in my bed, how I bellow and cry from the stupid game in my eyes. I like windshields on a rainy day, almost wrapped down, swelling as I keep on dipping my face in this cold hand of mine. Heaven knows how in has flown away from me, leaving me drunk in misery. I should have lived her ways and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? Napipressure ako, I'm so tired. I feel like catching 40 wings, being up all night in this elbow room that puts me in a trance where hopes and dreams come true. Ate Pat, now my lips are burning and my eyes are hurting from this fumes I made. Still I light another cigarette just to pass my time. Oh, heaven knows how in bitter I am. 'Cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me drunk in misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? Oh. Ooh. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ayan, thank you, Mark Lauren. Ayan.
Thank you.
Siya ay si Boss D ng Jazz. Oh, guys, please do follow him, ha. Hindi lang
Bababa na ba ako?
Isa. Ha? Diyan ka lang. Wala ka naman pasok eh. Diyan ka lang. Ano lang naman tayo, mga 1.5 hour. Ganun. May oras lang naman ako. Huwag ka mag-alala.
Yeah.
Shoutout sa ating mga kakumpas dyan, ha? Sa mga bagong pasok, mahigpit na yakap, welcome po kayo dito sa ating Kakumpas Radio Station. I recall when you said that you will never leave me. You told me more, so much more, like when the time you whisper in my ears, there is heaven in my heart. I remember when you said that you'll be here forever. Then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, it really won't be easy to forget yesterday, and I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone and oh, so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of burden from within. Ate Pat, I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I'll just dream of you tonight, and this into my dream. You've come and touched me once again. I just keep on dreaming. Carlo, Rapsa family, hello. Then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone and oh, so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within. I just keep living my life beside you. Maybe I just dream of you tonight. And if into my dream you come and touch me once again, I'll just keep on dreaming till my heart makes sense. Ate Krong, kay natin, shall we? I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of burden from within. I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I just dream of you tonight. And if into my dream you've come and touched me once again, I'll just keep on dreaming till my heart makes sense. Keep on dreaming till my heart Ashley, shall we everyone? Rapsa family, Ate Krong. Loyal ka, shall we po? Ayan. Let's get it to Boss B.
Ulit. Sige, sige.
המספרים המופיעים על הלוח הם אחוז התלמידים הזכאים לבגרות. למעלה, אחוז הזכאים...
Kayo.
Nakakakaba, promise. Ang dami nanonood.
Mr. Fellow ha, Just Boss B, thank you guys. Thank you po.
Thank you po sa mga nag-follow.
Just you.
Pwede niyo po kayo unfollow up. Thank you, ate. Too many billion people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you find your way to me? Tell me what is the sweet sensation? It's a miracle that happened. Though I search for an explanation, only one thing it could be, that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you. And the choice was never ours. In a zip the bars of the universe, and say you're mine until the day I die. I bless the day that I was born for you.
Nakasar ka na.
Kinakabahan talaga. Too many foolish people trying to come between us. None of them seem to matter when I look into your eyes. Now I know I belong here. In your arms I found the answer. Somehow nothing would seem so wrong here if they'd only realize I'm born for you, and that you were born for me, and it's still to work. This was clearly meant to be. bless the day that I was born for you. Would be if the world could ever understand or ever take away, and as the years go on until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Thank you.
Kinakabahan talaga siya. Bakit ka kinakabahan? Sinasabi ko sa iyo eh. Huwag kang kakabahan. Normal life
Kasi naman,
natin talaga to. Oo, no, malalaman mo pag kinakabahan yung tao pag ano. Huwag yung mga ganyan itsura. Mga ganyan itsura. Kinakabahan. Okay na. Huwag kang kakabahan. Parang ano to si Boss B.
Ate, patakyat ka. Help.
Hindi ka daw ganyan kumanta, Boss B. Mayos ka. Thank you ha sa rapsa natin dyan. Thank you so much guys sa mga gifts ninyo. Please do share our live. I saw an old friend so far today. She asked about you. I didn't quite know what to say. Heard you've been making the rounds around here. Well, I've been trying to make this disappear. Now I'm almost over you. I've almost shook these blues. So when you come back around after painting the town, you see I'm almost over you. You're such a slave with your cold heart. Maybe leaving came easy, but it tore me apart. Time heals all wounds, they say, and I should know. 'Cause it seems like forever, but I'm letting you go. Now I'm almost over na ba yung kabo mo, Boss B? Nakakadalawang kanta ka na. For sure, wala ka na ba? Shoutout sa ating Team Gravy. Ayan. Thank you guys sa mga
כרנה יופי נמצאות גם בריצה בפארק.
guys, please
לראש
do
פה
share our stream. Thank you po.
Your dream is on. BYD Dolphin מ-138,990.
I heard it close to me, 'cause I know she breaks so easily. And then I told her, but I knew no matter how I tried to console her, she just do the best she could. But there were times the best is not damn good. And no matter how you try to be kind, there's always still a part of you you leave behind. When it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. I lied and told her she'd be fine, though we both knew it was just a lie. I had to do it, 'cause I've said anything to help me get through it. Then she reached out for my hand, and her simple touch was more than I could stand. And I had to turn away, 'cause I knew all the hurt that she was feeling, I was feeling too. 'Cause when it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. She could have gotten angry and make me feel like a guilty child, but I realized that never was her style. I wanted her to hurt me and not treat me like a friend. I wanted her to say there'd be someday I'd come crawling on my knees to ask her back again. But she acted like a lady till the end. Oh, what a lady. I thought she'd break down, but she smiled at me and never made a sound. And I guess she understood in her way, 'cause her silence told me everything she could not say. When it falls apart, well, there's just no easy way. There's just no easy way. There's no easy way to break somebody's heart. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ay, thank you po.
Hindi ka na hindi ka na kinakabahan? Hindi na.
Ako, nakikisama na.
Baka mamaya hindi ka na pumunta dito pumunta ka pa rin dito. Bukas open mic pa rin tayo bukas. Pag pag weekend nag-open mic talaga ako kasi Monday to Friday kasi.
Hindi ko nabasa yung ano mo, yung sticker mo. Showdown pala.
Hindi, yung event ng TikTok Philippines. Sumali kasi ako, ayan. Thank you guys.
Okay.
Salamat sa
Thank you po
inyong lahat sa pag-share guys, ayan. Sa pag-share may puntos tayo, sa mga toppers may puntos tayo. Kaya walang sayang sa mga effort nyo dyan guys. Maraming salamat po sa mga nag-e-effort. Thank you, everyone. Next song tayo. And when I hold you in my arms, I promise you're gonna feel a love that's beautiful and new. This time I love you even better than I ever did before, and you'll be in my heart forever. We're just too young to know we found love and let it go. So easy to say the words goodbye, so hard to let the feeling die. I know how much I need you now. The time is turning back somehow. As soon as our heart and souls unite, I know for sure we get the feeling right. And now we're starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do. I'm feeling inside again. 'Cause every time I look at you, I know we're starting over again. Aki, this time we'll all the pain away. Welcome home, my lover and friends. We are starting over again. Ready si Aki? Ready? If we're never live alone, then we might have never known all of the time we spent apart. All we did was break each other's heart. Ay, sorry na. Thank you, everyone. Maraming salamat sa mga toppers and tambay and sharer natin dyan, guys, ha. And when I hold you in my arms, I promise you're gonna feel a love that's beautiful and new. This time I love you even better than I ever did before, and you'll be in my heart forevermore. And now we're starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do. I'm feeling inside again. 'Cause every time I look at you, I know we're starting over again. This time we'll all the pain away. Welcome home, my lover and friends. We are starting over again. This time we'll all the rain away. Welcome home, my lover and friends. We are starting over again. We are starting over again. Hi, Juvie. Ay, please do follow Juvie and Mommy Topper. Hi, Juvie! Kakanta si Juvie.
Darling, hindi pa ako nag-i-start, kinakabahan na ako. Ano ba
Ano
yan?
ba yan? Ayan, si Mommy Topper and si Ate Juvie. Hi, Ate Juvie. Welcome to my stream, Ate Juv. Sinong unang kakanta? Ay, kakanta ka ba, Juvie? Or diyan ka lang? Or si Mommy Topper? Mommy
After
Topper.
one song, you have to take me out.
Alright, sige. Mommy Topper, para kanino ba yan? At
Para
nag-effort
sa
umakyat. Ay, ano sa... Iyak ako?
Para sa'yo, para kay Juby, at para sa lahat. Uy, may jazz boss tayo dito. Jazz.
Mga nandito silang jazz. Opo. Friends natin yung mga yan. Yeah.
Hello,
Thank
Jazz.
you. Ayan. Si Mami Tupper plus the
FYI, ako yung founder ng...
Oo.
Oo.
Oo. Siya si Oo.
Sige.
Ayan. Thank you guys.
Just bear with me, guys, ha. I'm not a singer, but I'm going to dedicate these songs to especially Miss Love and to everyone, of
Thank
course.
you. Thank you, Mami.
You're welcome, Missy. I love you. I always love you. Ay, bakit ayaw mag-play ng aking ano?
Nahiya siya.
Hello.
Ayan. Si Jaspat, nagsabi siya ng, hi, Mami Tupper. Hi kay Queen. Chowi.
Walang hila-hilamos.
Mami, wala talagang music.
Wala?
Wala.
Wala bang music?
Wala, Mami. Baka hindi naka-plug yung ano mo, yung music mo sa ano.
Sa sobrang nervous ko, hindi nga. Wait a minute. Just give me a sec.
Sorry na, uwu.
Sorry na. Hindi perfect. Trying to be
Okay lang tayo
perfect.
sa hindi perfect. Okay lang yun. Mau, shall we guys?
I hope hindi siya mag-mistake.
Sorry na.
Meron na.
Thank you, Mami. Alam ko na talaga yung kanta mong yan. Naiyak na talaga ako.
Don't. Please don't. I'll try my best not to.
Happy mo naman.
We are always follow the visions of our own. We were born to belong to the lines of our songs and make them our home. We believe in happy ending, though we've only known a few. For as rare as they are, like a bright falling stars, we found one in us. Sometimes all the world can seem so friendless, and the road ahead so endless, and our dreams so far away. Sometimes when we almost do surrender, then we stop and we remember we have us to save our day. Often our imagination has its reaching us too far. When we felt we were there with our hands in the air, we knew from the start. Sometimes after all we've done to save us, through your love we freely give us every step along the way. My God, I'm shaking. Sometimes people ask what keep us going, and it's true, it comes from knowing we have us to save our day. Sometimes feeling people ask what keep us. Oh my God! But yes, we have us to save.
Kinakabahan din siya, Mami.
No, hindi ako kinakabahan, kundi the feeling of the song. Alam mo naman talaga,
Ay, oo nga. So, umiiyak ang mami. Sorry na, guys. Umiiyak ang mami. Iyakin talaga ang mami sa song na yan. Diyan ka lang. Ayaw mo ba dyan lang? Ayan. Diyan ka lang. Walang aalis na pamilyang to. Ayan.
oh sige. Pero
Diyan ka
tanggalin
ba?
ko ako sa big screen.
Sorry na. Oo na. Yung mga moderator. I love you, me. Thank you for that song sa. Dami yorn. Hi, Doctin. Ano? Sino pa? Sino pa kakanta? Pinaiyak nyo na. Oo, pinaiyak na natin si Mami Topper. Sorry na talaga.
Isang lang ako, Misia.
Ayan, sige. Gora. Boss B, tinatanggal ko lang talaga yung shaking mo din dyan, Boss B, ah. Easy ka lang dyan. Para lumabas na talaga yung boses talaga ni Boss B. Kasi alam ko hindi yan yung boses ni Boss B. Ay, okay, sige po. So, paano ko yun babasahin? Sige, wait lang.
ka, nakamute ka.
Sorry na. Sabi ko, ayan. Sabi ko, na-share ng ating kakumpas
Ate,
Dokting.
bababa na po.
Ay,
Kakain
bababa ka
naman.
na. Thank you, Jovi. Thank you.
Thank
Sabi
you po,
mo kay Sir
bye-bye.
Uno. Thank you. Sige, bababa
Ano po?
kita. Thank you, guys. Thank you po. Oy, guys, please do follow si ate, ha? Ayan. Sino pa kakanta? Si Lengleng. Kakanta si Lengleng?
Si Janjan.
Sino? Si Blackpink. Kakanta yarn?
Si Janjan.
Si Jen? Jen, kakanta ka daw, Jen? Sino ka dyan? Mommy, I miss you. Nasa labas pa daw siya. It's okay. Pakanta o kakanta daw hindi magpapatalo si Glay ng ano. Para si ata kayo kung nasaan si Boss B, nandun din ata si Glay Lingling. Nasaan ka na? Up ka. Gigil mo ko. Anyway guys, meron pala akong gustong batiin sa video na ito. Sa live na ito, hingiin ko lang inyong mga konting minuto. Babatiin lang natin ng... Ayan, binubola! Happy birthday, Jazz Empress! Ayan, nasa ng Jazz Empress natin. Happy birthday sa'yo, ha? Tapusin lang natin yung happy birthday, no? Para masaya, no? Ayan, happy birthday sa ating Jazz Empress ng family ng Jazz. Jazz, of course, Jazz. Happy birthday sa'yo, ha. Sana mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Yes, boss, nasa Turkey?
Po?
Israel?
Yes po.
Yeah, nasa Israel po siya. Ayan. Maraming salamat, ha. Ayun ay mulang pagbati sa aming mga kakumpas. Happy birthday, Jazz Empress. Ayan, kasi nandito si Jazz Boss B, kaya binati kita. Tsaka may nag-PM talaga sa akin. Thank you, ayan. Boss B, Gora. Kanta mo yarn.
Yeah. Take me as you are, push me off the road. The sadness, I need this time to be with you. I'm freezing in the sun, I'm burning in the rain. The silence, I'm screaming, calling out your name. And I do reside in your light. Put out the fire with me and find. Yeah, you lose the side of your circle. That's what I'll do if we say goodbye. To be is all I can be, and all that I see, and all that I need this time. To me, the life you gave me, the day you said goodnight. Calmness in your face that I see through the night. The warmth of your light is pressing onto us. You didn't ask me why, I never would have known. Oblivion is falling down, and I do reside in your life. Put out the fire with me and fight. Yeah, you lose the sign of your circles. That's what I'll do if we say goodbye. To be is all I could be, and all that I see, and all that I need this time. To me, the life you gave me, the day you said goodnight. If you could only know me like your prayers at night, then everything between you and me will be alright. To me is all I gotta be, and all that I see, and all that I need this time. To me, the life you gave me, the day you said goodnight. She's already taken. 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 Ayan, thank you po. The day you said goodnight. Ayan. Thank you so much.
Chris,
Wala na
bumba daw. May bumba.
yung
Grabe
alaga
siya,
ko.
Ayan. Wala nang aakyat. Mag-join. Glay-glay, nasan na? Ba't di ka kumakanta? Sinasabi ko sa inyo, open mic talaga ako ng weekend. Sinasabi ko sa inyo talaga yan. Hi, Yumi! Romantico, shall we? I can't remember when you were dead, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear you taught me everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you. Through siguro tapos na to. Ayan. Thank you, guys. Ayan. Doctin, kakanta ka pa?
Sige, sige.
Ayan, Gora. Ikaw yan.
Covers PH.
Open cam daw, Doctin.
Hindi pa ako makapag-open cam.
Di ba daw? Dan, show me.
Kaya namang makayanan kahit man na nahihirapan. Ito ko dumaraan pag natuyo na ang luha, parang nahipan ang iyong kandila. Init ay wala, di ba pangako mo nung una, di wala'y iingatan. Baka naman sa susunod na habang buhay sa susunod na habang buhay.
Sino ka dyan? Ayan, tayo, magla-last round tayo kasi now, time check tayo is now 1 hour and 26 minutes. Sabi ko 1 and, ano lang tayo, 1 hour and 30 minutes lang tayo. Kasi morning nagla-live tayo and then evening nagla-live din tayo. Tomorrow, open rin tayo ulit. Open mic ulit tayo tomorrow. Then Monday to Friday, solo. Kanlaya, shall we? Mami, kakanta ka pa?
Gusto mo pa na isang kanta?
Oo naman, of course. Gora. Gora, mami.
Sige. Pagbibigyan kita na isang kanta, malakas ko sa akin eh.
Oo naman, syempre. Missy Love kaya to.
Siyempre. Yung music. He knows when I'm lonesome. He cries when I'm sad. He's up in a good time. He's down in a bad. Never undiscovered. He knows just what to do, but he doesn't know about you. I can tell him my trouble. He makes them all seem right. I can make up excuses. Ang ganda natin, Lucy, oh. Not to hold him again. Look at the smile. We can talk of tomorrow. Tell him things that I wanna do. But galit si Daddy. How can I tell him about you? This is just a song. How can I tell him about you? Boy, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So boy, won't you tell me how to tell him about you? Yes, Kaday. Pops, yes, Kaday. How can I tell him I don't miss him whenever I'm away? How can I say it's you I think of every single night and day? But when is it easy telling someone goes through you? How could tell him about you? How can I tell him about you? Boy, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever love you guys. I love you,
Thank
Missy.
you, Mami. Ayan, please do follow Mommy Topper. Ayan, ang ating masugid na topper na Mami. Ayan, siya yun. Mommy Topper. Thank you, Mami. Mami, bababa ka na nilangga, ah. Love you. Thank you, Mami, sa tambay mo tsaka sa mga songs mo. Ben, shall we? Thank you, thank you. Ayan. Boss B, ayan, ibigay mo na ng todo-todo.
סאונד של מנצחים, בוז קווייט קומפורט אולטרה, הדור החדש של אוזניות ביטול הרעשים.
Thank you, Benji. Master, thank you, Master. Thank you, Master. Master, thank you, Master. Love, love.
Master, shall we?
Pagbigyan ako'y nagkamali. Muli ay patawarin ako'y nagsisisi. Alam kong ako'y nangakong di na mauulit pa. Ako'y nagkamali sa'yo. Muli patawarin mo. Ako ba'y iyong iyayakapin? Nagkaraay kayang limutin. Magtiwala muli, mahalin mong muli. Pagbalik ka sa akin. Di ko kakayanin kung ika'y mawawala sa aking piling. Di ko kakayanin pa nalaman kung wala ng pag-ibig sa akin. Di kayang mag-isa, gustong kasama kita. Sa'yo lang ang pag-ibig ko. Magtiwala muli, ito na ang huli. Pagkakamali, pag-ibig ko. Thank you, Master. Muli, pagbigyan, pag-ibig natin. At sabihin mo sa akin ang iyong gusto'y susundin. Magwalang di sinasadyang maging di tapat sa'yo. Nakalimot na ako. Nangyari kay ginusto. Ako pa ba'y kayang iyakapin ang init na galing sa akin? Kaya bang ibalik na maabot saglit ng sakit ngayong wala ka na? Di ko kakayanin kung ika'y mawawala sa aking piling. Di ko kakayanin so much, Miss Busy.
Ay, grabe. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so
Boss
much
B,
din
sa
po
paunlak
sa
mo. Kung sana
pagpapaakyat.
bukas hindi ka
Ayan.
busy.
I'll try.
Hindi ka ba busy bukas?
Sunday, start to the work. Well, let's see. Mga anong oras ba? Ganito ulit? Okay lang kung ganitong
Oo,
oras.
same lang. Galing naman
Okay.
po, sabi ni Banshee. Oo.
Thank you, Benchi. Love you.
Oo naman. Kanina medyo kabado, ngayon na. Yan na, siya na yan talaga.
Thank you so
Ganyan
much.
talaga yan. Kasi kilala ko rin ang boses ni Boss B eh. Ang galing ng mga kakumpas dito. Thank you so much, Billiard Lover. Boss, and sa family ng Jazz ha, maraming salamat sa...
Thank you so much, mga kakumpas. Maraming salamat po sa pagtanggap. Ayan. Thank you so much po.
Love
Sige po. Thank you.
Ingat ka, Boss B. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Ingat din pa. Thank you.
Kay Pati. Kasinsin
Yeah.
ang tawag ko dyan. Thank you, guys. Thank you sa
Thank you,
mga
guys.
Jazz. Love much. Guys, ako'y magpapaalam na magbibigay na lang ako ng isang kanta. Stay na lang kayo dyan. Maraming salamat sa 51,600 nating mga likers. Magandang balita yan, ha? And sa ating mga sharers, ayan. Pangit, thank you so much. And also sa ating mga bisita kanina, maraming salamat sa pag-stay ninyo. Ayan, thank you so much, everyone. Sabi ng ating Boss B, please do follow him. Dahil nakita nyo naman, nahiya lang talaga siya sa una. Ganun naman talaga, kahit ako nag-a-up ako sa mga iba, hindi ko naman talaga nalalabas yung boses ko. Pero dito talaga sa live, ano tayo? Kung ano talaga yung boses, ganun. Minsan nga lang, pagod, di ba? Guys, patawarin nyo na ako ha. Kakanta na tayo ng last song natin. I love you everyone. Have a good night, morning, afternoon sa inyong lahat kung saang lupalop kayo ng mundo. God bless you all sa aking mga kakumpas and everyone. Yan ang sabi ng ating blessed. Hukay sarap sa ilalim ng kalawakan kapag kapiling kang tumitig sa kawalan, saksi ang buwan at bituin sa pagmamahalan nating dalawa. Tanaw pa rin kita, sinta. Kay layo may nagniningning, mistula kang tala. Sa tuwing nakakasama ka, lumiliwanag ang daan sa kislap ng iyong mga mata. Pag ikaw ang kasabay, puso'y napapalagay. Gabing tumatamis tuwing hawak ko ang iyong kamay. O kay sarap sa ilalim ng kalawakan kapag kapiling kang tumitig sa kawalan, saksi ang buwan at bituin sa pagmamahalan nating dalawa. Simoy ng hangin na kay lamig sa katawan, daig pa rin ang liyab na aking nararamdaman. Sa tuwing tayo'y magkabilang mundo, isang tingin ko lang sa buwan, napalapit na rin sa'yo. Pag ikaw ay nakangiti, nag-aabang sa sandali, buong paligid ay nasasabi, thank you, Billiard, sa ating halik. O kay sarap sa ilalim ng kalawakan kapag kapiling kang tumitig stay sa akin. Maraming salamat. Magkita-kita tayo bukas ulit. So, Dabber, sorry, shall we? Not kay Notix. Oh, thank you, lover. Hug tight. O kay sarap sa ilalim ng kalawakan kapag kapiling kang tumitig sa kawalan, saksi ang buwan at bituin sa pagmamahalan nating dalawa. Halika na sa ilalim ng kalawakan, samahan mo akong tumitig sa kawalan, saksi ang buwan at bituin sa pagmamahalan nating dalawa. Hi, Jelay! Napaka-late mo naman. Bakit ngayon ka lang? Talagang nag-end na talaga ako, no? Ayan guys, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Ayan, salamat po sa lahat ng ating toppers and share. Paulit-ulit tayo sa ating mga kakumpas at sa ating mga bisita. Okay lang yun. Ano ka ba? Malakas ka sa... Ha? Susara. And again guys, I have my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Miss Love Forever. Please do subscribe po doon dahil wala pong bayad ang subscribe doon. Yun nga lang, manonood kayo ng aking mga posted na videos doon para naman kumita tayo ng very light lang naman. Para makatulong tayo sa sambayan ng Pilipino. Kayo naman. Ayan, please do follow. Hi, Kikay. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-follow na doon at saka sa patuloy na nanonood doon. Ayan. Kikay, ayan. Tomorrow magkita-kita tayo. Again, meron tayong guesting. Ayan. Kikay, thank you sa attendance mo ha. Then ako sabi, oo, thank you lover ha. Much love. Tapos kung wala kayong magawa, mag-comment din kayo. Huwag naman masamang comment. Ayan, maraming salamat sa aking mga gifters na walang sawa magbigay sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Paulit-ulit po natin sasabihin na may patutunguhan talaga yung mga coins na yan, no? Oo. Maraming salamat again. Missy Love is now signing off. Maraming salamat sa inyo at sana kumain na kayo kasi now is 8:36 ng gabi dito sa Pilipinas. Ayan. We love you, Ate Missy, and also I love you guys. Ayan. Patuloy nyong lagi nyong iisipin na mahal ko kayo. Di ko man kayo mabanggit isa-isa. Alam nyong love na love ko kayo, guys. Ayan. Andyan naman yung mga admin natin and mga moderator and ating mga kakumpas. 4 pa lang po dito. Uy, kung nasaan ka man, magandang hapon sa'yo. And also sa aking mami topper na nagtatambay na talaga sa live ko. Ayan. Mag-ingat kayong lahat, ha. God bless you all. Happy weekend! O tomorrow magsimba kayo. Antayin ko kayo siguro mga after lunch na lang ako magla-live para makapagsimba kayo. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyo. I love you guys, aking mga kakumpas. Mahigpit na yakap para sa inyong lahat. I love you. Bye! Guys, aking mga kakumpas. Mahigpit na yakap para sa inyong lahat. I love you. Bye!